Okay, let's take a look at the melodic minor scale. Here is C melodic minor. So it's basically the minor scale up to the 5th, but then it has a major 6th and a major 7th. And this is a very nice scale, used a lot in jazz. It has a very film noir sound, and a lot of the Hitchcock films, Bernard Herrmann, the composer, used this scale a lot. Like in Vertigo, you get this sort of minor chord with a major 7th, so C minor with a major 7th. This is one of the chords that gets produced from this melodic minor scale. You hear it in Vertigo, where he basically takes this chord and arpeggiates it in opposite directions. So it's a very nice sounding scale, has a very film noir sound. Another chord that's derived from this scale is the minor 6 chord, so C minor 6. Looks like this, a minor chord with a major 6th, and this is a great ending chord. Just arpeggiating a minor 6 chord, and the minor 6 chord is very similar to the minor chord with a major 7, which we just looked at. You can create all sorts of patterns with this major 6th and major 7th above a minor chord. You also hear this chord at the end of the James Bond theme, you know, when he shoots the gun. There's this chord, it's an E minor chord with a major 7th and a 9th. Transposed into C is a C minor chord, major 7th and a 9th. And again, this is the sound of the melodic minor scale. Very nice scale. You can play this over the 1 chord of a minor 2-5-1, at least if it says C minor major 7 or a C minor 6 chord. So over this C minor 6 chord, it sounds great. It also works great when you're using block chord textures. It's a nice compositional technique, a nice sound to have in your jazz piano palette. You just enclose every chord with an octave, and then you just fill in some of the chordal tones in between. Now, it would be rare for a composer to use the melodic minor scale to write an entire piece of music. It's more like a flavor that you can use for just one chord, often the ending chord for a minor song. Now, if you want more exotic jazz piano sounds, well, I've put together a free piece of sheet music which goes into even more exotic jazz piano sounds. You can download that for free at the link below. And apart from that, I'm going to handpick the next jazz tutorial video here, so you can continue learning more jazz piano sounds that you can walk away with and use at the piano today. My name's Julian Bradley, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.